Everything that I'm doing now is for my community.
Giving everyone the tools that I can share into their lives.
If you're passionate about something, you can do anything.
And to be able to give back and help others, that's what it's all about. Being at the arena, it's electrifying. I just love being able to pump up the crowd. I love it when the crowd sings the fight song with us. I love it. This is the best when they go, "Let's go Bulls" with us. I mean, that's the spirit that we want to get.
Do you think you could acapella it for us?
Here's to our dear Hawaii. Here's to our green and white. Here's to our alma mater. Here's to our team with fight. Rah, rah. I was on the cover of Midweek for something.
Can you grab it?
Yeah. They make the... I'm the so-called, I guess, balloon lady. I'll be standing in line for something and somebody will actually come up to me and go, "You're the balloon lady." I get several of that. So the balloon hats, that started with a band student's father. Her dad was like, "Let's try to make these balloon hats and wear them at the games." So I was like, I'm all in. The hat that I wore the most was rainbow. I've had flower hats, Angry Birds, Mickey, Goofy, the Christmas hat. That was my favorite hat of all time. Every hat I get, I give it away to a little kid. But the Christmas one, that's the one hat I wouldn't give away. I have an honest love for sports. I listen almost constantly to ESPN 1420. That's what my car is set to. That's what I always listen to. And then at home, I watch the UH rerun of the game. That's what I do. And part of the reason why I do that is I just love the UH sport, but I want to see what band coverage was on. I want to hear how we sounded. I want to see how we look. I just like to do that. It's kind of weird, yeah.
In 2023.
My whole family background, music was a big thing, and everybody loved it. My mom played piano, my dad played trombone, older brother played trumpet, the other brother played percussion. I started off on piano when I was super young, and then I played the saxophone. That's my instrument. Being a band teacher, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of energy. You gotta really be dedicated and you gotta love it. 231, here we go. 2, ready. You have like 100 or 200 students and you have to make sure that they're getting a good education. It is hard in that respect. You're always thinking, how can you do this better? Can we just try run it through? You don't have to play loud, just let's try it. 1, 2. Ooh, who came in early? I hope that our students are learning, of course, how to play an instrument and how to play music, but it goes beyond that. Music teaches us that we can become a part of something. Growing up, music helped me express myself more in ways that I couldn't otherwise. And I found a place where I could hang out. I found a place where I could make friends. Music brings you together in that way. It has a home for everybody. No matter where you're from, it does not matter. You come and you play music, you're all on the same page. Hawaii is where I grew up. Hawaii is where I love. I could not see myself leaving here. I mean, besides I'm old already. But I've always wanted to teach here. You know, you give back to where you grew up. That's what it's all about. And I could not think of anything more worthwhile than working with students. That is like the best thing. Makes me feel good. I love it. I love it.